Hi, everyone. I'm Christopher Thornycroft with Redwood Logistics, and welcome to the Redwood Rundown for the week of November 27th, 2023. Bear down, everyone. Big win. Big win. Who needs touchdowns? Come on. I grew up in the 80s. We didn't have touchdowns in the 80s. What do we have now? Well, we're coming off of Thanksgiving, off that week. Hope everyone had a great week. Got to lay low. Sure seems like a lot of the freight markets started to lay low, particularly after Tuesday. Coming into this week, we have seen a large pickup in spot quote opportunities. That's true. Spot quote opportunities up. Why? Well, because it's that week after the Thanksgiving holiday. You can't say that we didn't say it was coming. By the way, if you take a look at the load to truck ratio from Monday of last week to Monday of this week, we have a 56% increase in load to truck ratio out of the major markets that we are tracking. They went from 2.8 to 4.4 to 1. Yeah, it's definitely here. It's happening all over. It's happening in the East Coast, where we're seeing markets out of New Jersey tighten up past 6 to 1. It's happening in Arkansas, where we're seeing markets heat up over 10 to 1. Los Angeles is over 6 to 1. Plenty of pressure out there. Not as much pressure in the Midwest just yet, but watch what's going to happen on Tuesday. Watch what's going to happen on Wednesday, and then probably start to cool off as trucks get repositioned and they are back in place to haul that contract freight. We'll see a little bit of a slowdown throughout the beginning of the month, and then what? Probably a little bit of change out there as capacity starts to come off the road, as some of the mail trucks start to go on out, as you see more drivers slide into other positions, roughly about December 15th. We think that's when you're going to start to see a little bit of a spot pickup out there after we get through this week. You know, there's not a ton of data that's relevant right now, as a lot of that data on that trailing 7 days includes that sonar data. It doesn't really track all that well, but one thing we are seeing is that IOTI continues to be strong. So that's good news for 2024 for those of you watching for imports. That's all we've got for this week. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.